Ano tong mga to, Bibe?
Basketball.
Very good. It's a basketball. Kukuha ako ng balls. Tapos, anong kulay ito?
Red.
Ito?
Red.
This one?
Blue.
This one?
Green. Brown. Purple. Orange.
Very good. Oh, shoot ka nga ng ball. Kuha ka nga ng ball dito.
Okay.
Kuha ka nga ng ball, tapos i-shoot mo. Wow, anong kulay yan?
Blue.
Blue. Shoot mo siya. Doon. Choo. Ganun. Choo. Very good. Shoot the ball. Oh, shoot the ball. Shoot the ball. What color is that?
Green.
Oh, shoot mo the ball. Shoot the ball. Very good. Kuha ka pa nga. What color is that?
Purple.
Oh, shoot mo the ball. Shoot.
Wait.
Shoot mo na yung ball. Shoot the ball. Very good. Oh, shoot ka pa ng ball. What color is that?
Orange.
Oh, shoot mo. Very good. Shoot the ball.
Red.
Very good. Very good. You like it?
Yeah.
You like shooting the ball?
Blue.
What?
Orange.
What is that?
Brown.
Ah?
Brown.
Oh, it's okay. Very good. You love your activity today?
Yeah.
Very good, Diana Bunalos.